Right then, so a new vlog, and this one is a completely different kettle of fish. We're going down to Sandhurst, which is 30 miles from my house, and we're going to get rid of this, my beautiful orange machine, which in turn got me through a time which was quite bad after I had a car crash in my old Ford Ka Sport, which is, yeah, not good times. And we're going to go and exchange this for a new car. I'm not going to tell you yet, you can wait and see what it's going to be. Will be a Toyota, so let's go and have a look. Just for the record, this cold, this flu, this common cold that makes me sound like an absolute moron, I've had it since Le Mans, and that was 3 weeks ago, so this, yeah, it's really getting on my tits now. Right, I've just seen it for the first time and I can't believe this. Jesus Christ, it's so nice. And it's purchased. They're just checking if I can drive away with it today. Really hope I can, because I want to go and show a few people, and you're going to see that as well, their reactions to my new car. Oh my goodness. There she is, GTA 6 Aero package. 16 plate. 22,000 miles on the Odo. Oh mate. It's just like the perfect one. It's exactly what I wanted. I wanted red, I wanted black alloys, I wanted the aero package. It's a lot more rare than you think, and trying to find one down south, it's near impossible. Well, I've just taken it on a nice 40-mile cruise, test drive should we say. Bought it, they let me have it, they let me drive away with it, perfect. And I love it, it's so good. It's perfect. I mean, it's a little bit fart no poo, and what I mean by that is it sounds and looks a bit faster than it is. It's not actually that fast. It's only a 2 litre 200 brake straight 4 engine, so it's not that quick. Everything else though is unbelievable. Actually, I'll tell you what, let's start it up. Let's let you hear what's going on. Come on. Ah, clutch down this way. So, you're probably thinking, how on earth does a 2 litre sound that good? Well, it's got a custom exhaust, K&N induction kit, which is quite rare to buy a car of that, you know, from a forecourt, from a Toyota garage, with all those mods. So we'll take it. I wasn't going to take them off. They did say, do you want to exchange them for the stock parts? But what's the point? I mean, I know it sounds a bit loud, but it's nice. Right, so I think it's about time we go and see what other people in my life think of that car. He's excited to see the car, isn't you?
Oh, can't wait, mate. Can't wait.
So, Isaac.
Yeah.
It's this one over here.
You really did learn a lot from that Le Mans Esports series, didn't you?
No, in all seriousness, it's this red one. What are your thoughts?
Mate.
I need a rating out of 10, because I'm going to do it with a few people, so give me a rating.
Well, be 9 out of 10. You've got the rice spoiler on the back though.
The rice spoiler?
Rice spoiler.
You like it?
No, I don't.
You don't like it?
Little rice boy, aren't you?
Is that Halford's whip?
Halford's cardboard cutout.
Wait. I'll run you through what it's got inside, like the optional extras. It's got heated seats, integrated sat-nav, carbon trim, I believe it's real carbon. Sport mode turns traction off and gives it extra horsepower apparently. Cruise control, climate control. Mate, I've hit the jackpot here. I've literally hit the jackpot.
I can see the spoiler before I saw anything else.
Hello.
Hello.
You alright?
Yeah.
Nice day.
Yes.
Come have a look.
What time did you pick it up?
I picked it up this morning. Then I drove to Veloce and I've come back here. So I've already put 100 miles on it.
What's it like to drive?
Yeah, it's good. It's slowish.
Mate, your seats are so far back. There's not a lot of room in the back.
I know. It's basically a 2-seater.
I thought it was, to be fair.
Give me a rating out of 10.
No. You gonna let me drive it?
No. Morning, and we're at Friday, and we're going to go to the Festival of Speed at Goodwood. Nice 2-hour journey on the way down there in the new whip. Looking forward to it. We're going to meet the TIAMETMARDUK, meet a few people hopefully down there, see some nice cars, listen to some nice engines, so should be a hot day, so let's have some fun. Okay, we've just arrived at Goodwood. Bad news, TIAMETMARDUK won't be coming today. I'm almost brought to tears when I heard that news. The red arrows are going round, and we're going to go and look at some cars. Don't really know what the plan is, but
Don't have one.
don't have a plan, do we? We're just going to wing it and see where we end up. Probably end up in a sim at some point, but you're going to have a burrito.
Don't have a burrito.
I'm going to have some sort of burger, possibly even a cheeseburger.
I don't think they have one here.
You don't have one?
No.
Probably about £20 as well.
Got mac and cheese, burrito.
So
Thai
you just
noodles.
found my next car on the list. It's not bad, is it? I'll tell you now, she loves going sideways.
That's a good job you come here then.
Absolute.
That's all I can't go straight. Just go sideways.
The Drift King.
Well,
We'll find out.
yeah, tell me afterwards.
Bloody hell.
What's it like when it's wet?
Quite noisy.
That was good fun, wasn't it? Hey?
Oh wait, do it again. Street fry.
No, we're not doing it again. You're luckily we knew an inside man at Porsche, didn't we?
We did.
We can't say who though, but that was good. I like that. Now we're going to go and watch the 2004 to 2017 F1 cars go up the hill. Michael Schumacher tribute, which is very nice. I like that. So we're going to go on top of the VW headquarters, and it should be a good viewing spot, right opposite the house, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lovely. Right, there we go. The end of the day, third year at Goodwood, good as ever. It's the best year yet, actually, I think, for us. You'd say so? Yeah. Definitely. Hope you enjoyed my first vlog back. I've had a little bit of a break, but yeah, if you like the video, like it, comment what you want, subscribe to the channel, that would be much appreciated. But, till the next video, see you soon.